Some cars are built to go fast. Some are built to dominate the streets with aggressive styling and loud exhaust notes. And some are built to outthink everything around them. The 2026 Volvo EX90 belongs to that last category. And it's not just evolving the SUV, it's redefining the entire game. At first glance, the EX90 feels calm. Clean Scandinavian design, smooth body lines, signature Thor's hammer LED headlights, no unnecessary aggression. It doesn't beg for attention, but don't let that fool you. Because underneath this minimalist shell is a machine loaded with serious performance and next-level intelligence. Power comes from a dual-motor electric setup pushing up to 496 horsepower in its performance variant. That means instant torque. No turbo lag, no gear shifts, just smooth, relentless acceleration. Put your foot down and this full-size SUV hits 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. That's not just quick, that's properly fast for something built to carry families. But here's the twist. Volvo didn't build the EX90 to chase speed records or lap times. They built it to see the future, literally. Mounted right above the windshield is a LiDAR sensor, and this is where things get serious. Unlike traditional cameras and radar, LiDAR uses laser pulses to create a precise 3D map of the world around the car. It can detect objects hundreds of meters ahead, in daylight, in darkness, even in conditions where human vision and most systems fail. Cars, cyclists, pedestrians. The EX90 sees it all. And more importantly, it reacts faster than you ever could. This is not just driver assistance. This is predictive intelligence, and it perfectly reflects Volvo's legacy. Think back to the legendary Volvo 240, a car that became famous for surviving crashes that should have been fatal, or the invention of the 3-point seatbelt, a safety feature so effective that it saved millions of lives worldwide. Volvo has never chased trends. They've always built cars with one goal: protection. Now with the EX90, they're taking that philosophy into the electric era. Built on Volvo's advanced SPA2 platform, the EX90 is engineered specifically for EVs. At its core is a massive 111 kilowatt-hour battery pack, delivering over 300 miles of range on a full charge. That means long-distance capability without constantly worrying about charging stops. And when you do need to charge, fast charging takes it from 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes. Efficient, practical, future-ready. But step inside, and the EX90 reveals a completely different side. The interior feels more like a high-end tech lounge than a traditional SUV. Everything is clean, minimal, and intentionally designed. A large vertical touchscreen sits at the center, powered by built-in Google software. Navigation, voice control, apps, everything is seamless. No clutter, no confusion, just pure, focused interaction. Even the materials tell a story. Volvo has moved towards sustainable luxury, recycled materials, eco-friendly fabrics, without sacrificing the premium feel you expect. It's a different kind of luxury, quiet, responsible, modern. And then there's the intelligence behind it all. The EX90 constantly monitors the driver using advanced sensors. If it detects distraction, fatigue, or lack of response, it steps in, slows down, warns you, even stops the vehicle if necessary. Inside the cabin, radar sensors can detect subtle movements, like a child or pet left behind, preventing dangerous situations before they happen. This isn't just innovation for the sake of features, it's innovation with purpose. Because Volvo is aiming for something no other automaker has fully committed to: 0 fatalities in their new cars. A bold claim, almost impossible. But when you look at what the EX90 brings to the table, it starts to feel achievable. In a world where brands are obsessed with horsepower wars, fake engine sounds, and aggressive styling, Volvo is taking a completely different path. No loud statements, no unnecessary drama, just silent speed, cutting-edge awareness, and a car that's always thinking one step ahead. So maybe performance isn't just about acceleration anymore. maybe the real performance lies in how a car protects you, adapts to you, and reacts before danger even appears. Because when your car can see what you can't, the definition of driving changes forever. And the real question is, are we ready to trust machines that think faster than we do? Or has the future already made that decision for us?